This video is going to be focused on sticker shock and how Louis Vuitton's $160 lipstick is sparking beauty community backlash. The luxury maison's makeup debut with Pat McGrath is facing harsh criticism over astronomical pricing that even loyal fans are not able to stomach. Just days after Louis Vuitton unveiled the highly anticipated beauty collection with makeup legend Pat McGrath, the internet has delivered its verdict. And it's not a pretty one. Online fans have already branded the $160 lipsticks and the $250 palettes as costly indulgence with some quipping. There's absolutely no reason for a lipstick to be costing $160, not even if it was laced with gold. That is what the beauty community is saying. Now let's discuss about the price point that is breaking the beauty world. Now at $160 per lipstick and $250 for an eyeshadow palette, the Louis Vuitton beauty line has set new benchmark for the luxury cosmetics pricing. The line is almost twice the price of the Hermes lipsticks at $80, which themselves raised eyebrows when they were debuted back in 2020. Even within the luxury beauty space, Louis Vuitton's pricing strategy represents what the industry experts are calling an aggressive test of consumer limits. As beauty analysts are pointing out at those prices, who's really buying? Louis Vuitton's debut makeup line will be one of the most expensive premium ranges on the market, and it will still likely appeal to a very narrow band of consumers. Social media is serving a reality check for Louis Vuitton. The beauty community's reaction has been swift and unforgiving. Others are rolling their eyes at the idea of luxury makeup no one can actually see once it's on, and with one commentator deadpanning that you're really not going to walk around holding the expensive palette. On the luxury fashion forums, even the devoted Louis Vuitton consumers are drawing a line. One Purse Forum member is saying, "No, I will not be buying LV makeup. They will be super overpriced and I'll stick to the classics, Chanel, Dior, YSL, and sometimes Tom Ford." Another echoed the sentiment, "I'm sure Vuitton will be overpriced too." Now, this criticism extends beyond the price to the question of value. As one beauty enthusiast put it, when it comes to makeup, formula and pigmentation outweighs the packaging and marketing. If it's just the regular Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette in the Vuitton flower or her usual lipstick formula, I will not indulge and continue buying her regular line instead. We are seeing a situation wherein even beauty insiders are showing hesitation. Beauty publications, while praising the formulation, could not help but acknowledge the elephant in the room. They're saying that sure, $160 for a lipstick is certainly a splurge in this economy. The phrase has become emblematic of a broader conversation around luxury pricing during economic uncertainty.